In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your signature in DocuSign while you're in the middle of signing a document. So if you've clicked into an agreement and realized your signature is outdated, misspelled, or you simply want a more professional version, don't worry, you don't have to cancel the document. You can update it right there during the signing process. I'll walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can go directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. From here, click on Agreements. This section shows all the documents that require action, including the ones waiting for your signature. Find the document you need to sign and click on it to open it. Next, click on Sign to begin the signing process. DocuSign will load the document in Signing View. If prompted, click Continue to move through any introductory screens. Once inside the document, click on the first sign field where your signature is required. When you click the signature box, a pop-up will appear showing your current saved signature. Now here's the important part. Instead of just clicking to apply the existing signature, look for the Change option. Click on Change. This allowed you to edit or completely replace the signature that DocuSign currently has saved for you. After clicking Change, you'll see different options. Click on Add to create a new signature. DocuSign gives you multiple ways to create your new signature. If you want to draw your signature using your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen, click on Draw. Then use your cursor or finger to sign your name naturally. This is a great option if you want something that looks more handwritten and personal. If you already have a scanned image of your signature saved on your computer, you can click on Upload instead. Then choose the image file from your device. Make sure the image is clear, cropped properly, and preferably has a transparent or white background for the best results. You can also type your name and choose from different signature styles if you prefer a clean digital look. Whichever method you choose, draw, upload, or type, take a moment to preview how it looks. Once you're happy with your new signature, click on Adopt and Sign. This will apply the new signature to the current document and update your saved signature in DocuSign for future use as well. After that, your new signature will appear in the document. Continue clicking through any remaining required fields, such as initials or dates, and complete the signing process as usual. When everything is filled out, click Finish to submit the document. And that's it. You've successfully changed your signature in DocuSign while signing a document, without canceling anything or starting over. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy DocuSign tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.